Mary here. I'm a brand ambassador for ToAllMyBlackGirls.com, and I'm going to be running through some tutorials on how you can wear your kinky course clip-ins. For this hairstyle, I'm sectioning off the front of my hair as I'm going to use this for my leave out. I then twist these sections down so that they are separated from the rest of my afro. I part in the back of my hair using my fingers, row by row, and I add the clip-ins to those parting lines. I literally just follow the parting and make sure that the clip-in is as close to the parting as possible, as you can see here. Now your parting doesn't need to be very straight. As long as it's a parting that the clip-ins can follow, that's fine. I continue to part my hair with my fingers and add the clip-ins row by row until I get to the front, where I tend to part in section by section rather than row by row. And I then use either the clip-ins that have 2 clips or 3 clips to make my hair full. As you see, coming towards the front, I'm using 2 clips on the side. And I then do the same on the other side. And then add another 2 clip-ins and shake it. I proceed to take out my twists as my leave out needs to cover the clips. I then take my spray bottle, which contains water, conditioner and oil, and I pat the product on my hair just so that my hair becomes a little bit more damp. I then fiddle around to make sure that my leave out is actually covering the clips. Here I've taken mousse and I'm putting that all over my hair because I'm going to add gel in order to make my hair the same texture as the clip-ins. My curls aren't as defined as the clip-ins, so by adding gel, I get to have more of a defined curl pattern, but it won't be exactly the same because it's not exactly the same hair type. But the Kinky Course clip-ins works very well with my hair. Now, as you can see, I'm adding more clip-ins, and this is because I felt my leave out was too much and it would be too puffy. So I do the same on the other side, just so that it looks more full and the clip-ins actually reaches the very top of my hair without showing too much of the clips. Here I have Nunu helping me to brush out the top of the clip-ins so that it kind of matches my hair type. And there you have it, girl. A full head of clip-ins left out. Thank you for watching, and join me again soon as I'll be showing you some more hairstyles you can do with your Kinky Course clip-ins. To purchase your clip-ins, please visit ToAllMyBlackGirls.com. Bye!